Hey guys, it's Ben and Ahmed here from LERA Smart Home Solutions. So we're just letting you know that the HIA Home Show is coming up
25th to the 27th of May 2018.
It's going to be at the Harbour International
Convention Centre, great new building. Gates open at 10 AM till 6 PM, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
It's free entry, so who doesn't love anything that's free?
No excuses.
So yeah, what are we going to be doing there?
Okay, so the home show itself exhibits all things that are going to do with home building and renovating. So anyone that's thinking of building or renovating their home, all the great products around are under one roof. We'll have our smart home stand there. What can people expect?
So our crew's going to be there, we're going to be there. So if you've got any technical questions or you want to know a bit more how smart homes actually work and how affordable it actually is to put into your home these days, we'll be there to answer all your questions.
We're actually giving away an intro pack.
That's valued at about $2,000.
Yep.
So come down, check us out.
Enter into a competition. You've got nothing to lose. You win an intro pack for your home. Get your home started.
And look out for the guys in pink t-shirts.
Yeah, we'll be wearing pink t-shirts, guys.
Yeah, so
don't miss us.
So as always, follow us on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook.
Yeah. If there's anything you guys want us to play with and review and check out, don't forget, just hit us up down below in the comment section and we'll let you know what we think.
Cool. And remember, always embrace your inner control freak.
See you guys.